Okay, great. I see that you are working in the UK. Oh no, sorry,
Yes.
United Arab Emirates.
Uh, I was in the UAE, but now I'm in the UK.
Oh, okay,
But
because there were two numbers on your email.
yeah.
Jet
I
setting.
still do. Yeah. I still do work between the two of them, but I'm based in the UK now.
Okay, fan.
Yeah.
And tell me, are you full-time employed in the UK at the moment?
Yes. So I
Fantastic.
basically, yeah, basically I've applied. I mean, I sort of know how the purchasing process works in South Africa because I've before asked for it and then I haven't gone through with it because I needed to have the other 50% of the non-residential money. Now I do have the money available.
Okay, let's backtrack a little bit. It
Yeah.
sounds to me like you are a South African citizen, though. Is that correct?
No, I'm Namibian.
Are you Namibian?
Yes.
Oh, I would never have guessed. Wow.
Yeah, I sound South African though.
Yes, you do. You spent a
Yeah.
lot of time here, probably.
I lived in South Africa for a few years, yeah.
Okay, great. Okay, I see that now. Tell me, in this time that you've prepared with your deposit, which is amazing, on the
Yeah.
50% side of things, um, did you perhaps in this time open up any transactional banking profile?
I do.
Yeah,
No, I do have one since I went to school in South Africa, so I have an FNB account.
you do have an FNB account here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, that's brilliant. And you actively transact from there,
Yes,
sending
yes.
money from the UK
Yes.
across. Okay, perfect.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Tell me, how long have you been employed for with the company in the UK now that you're based
Uh,
with?
cur- Currently for about a year.
A year now. Okay, that's
Yeah.
excellent. And is your salary pretty much fixed every month?
Yeah. My salary is fixed. Yeah.
Perfect. And you say that you've identified a property. Does this mean that you've signed an offer?
No, I haven't signed an offer yet, which is I haven't signed an offer yet for the property that I want to buy.
Okay, so I think what we can establish, I can say that, with the 50% deposit, we should definitely secure your 50%, the other 50% finance required,
Yeah.
because you also are working full time where you've worked at least for a year at the company that you're employed with, and you already have, a local transactional footprint here as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I am quite confident that we'd be able to secure the finance you require for your new purchase here in
Yeah,
South
I think it should.
Africa.
Yeah, because they didn't. I mean, I have been speaking to the bank before. They didn't say no. They just said to me like, you need to get stuff there. And then I was busy getting properties because I've got a property in Dubai and I've got a property in Namibia. So I've just been waiting for the right time. But I didn't want to do it this time around. I didn't want to do it on my own. So I thought, I saw your TikTok video. Let me do it through a board
Amazing.
originator. So
Yes, I mean, we can shop for all
yeah.
the best rates on your behalf, and the service is free.
Yeah.
You're not going to pay anything extra.
Exactly. And I
So,
should also, the other question I want to ask is also, what's the possibility of negotiating that 50-50? Because, I mean, I do have a credit score in South Africa as well. I don't know if that's going to help, but I think I should have one from the days I used to live there.
I mean, we can have a look at that and potentially try and secure a little bit more on that for you.
Yeah.
It is a difficult one because your residency is Namibian and not
Yeah.
South African. However, if there is a footprint like you have now with this FNB account here in
Yeah.
South Africa, that is one way of motivating it.
Yeah.
So we could potentially go up to a 65% loan to value. I mean,
Oh, that would be beautiful.
nothing ventured, nothing gained. So let's try,
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
FNB would be the first bank that we would try and secure that through with.
Mm-hmm.
And let's also try with APSA because they're also our go-to when it comes to foreign nationals applying for finance here.
Yeah.
I mean, we can try.
Yeah.
So
And
I'd like to now propose the next steps, right? It would
Yeah.
be best for you to sign an offer to purchase subject to finance approval so that we can officially, go out and, start collating all those offers for you. Would you like to include or incorporate the rental income from the two properties that you currently own, or do you prefer not to?
I guess I can, but they're in foreign countries. I don't know if that will help.
Um,
I think my current income is good because I'm earning around, I think, 1.5 1.6 million a year.
Okay, that sounds good. And you're shopping in the range of what price
Shop.
range?
I'm shopping in the range of. I mean, I'm trying to get something under 1.2 million, which
Okay.
is in southern suburbs, Cape Town. This is where I'm looking for.
Right.
1.2 million. I'm looking for. I'm looking for a local's house. Maybe somebody who had a 2 bedroom, is a bit cash tight. You know, they've got lots of
Yes.
space in the yard where I can put some extra rooms. That's
Yes.
the idea. The idea is that it's gonna. Either it's got a few extra rooms, or maybe it's a
Yes.
2 bedroom house with a big lounge, and the third lounge I can make it a bedroom, something like that. Or maybe
Convert
it's a
into
good 2 bedroom
something.
house.
Yes.
Yeah, maybe it's a 2 bedroom house. I can give it out, and it can go through a management agency.